everyone, Namaskar. So let's see one more problem from integration. This time we have cot⁴x to integrate. Now you must have already solved integration of cot⁴x, integration of cot²x and also cot⁴x. That those integration are also there in my playlist. You can go and check that out. Integration 202. Now in order to solve this integral, we are going to write this as cot²x times cot²x, because we anyhow need derivative to move forward, and derivative of cot² is cosecant square. Cot is minus of cosecant square, so we anyhow need that cosecant square term. So here the first cot² with the help of identity I can write that as cosecant²x minus 1, because 1 plus cot²x is cosecant²x, so cot²x can be written as cosecant²x minus 1. Now let's separate this. So this can be written as cot²x cosecant²x dx minus integral of cot²x dx. Now if I assume the all integral, that is integral of cot⁴ as I, so I can now write I as, let's suppose the first integral is I1 and the second integral is I2. Let's solve it separately. So coming to I1, so that I1 is integral of cot²x cosecant²x dx. We can take cot⁴x as t, then negative of cosecant²x dx will become dt. You all know its derivative is negative of cosecant²x. Now I can take the negative sign to the other side, so cosecant²x dx will become negative of dt. Now my integral will look something like integral of, in place of cot² I can write t², in place of cosecant²x dx I can write negative of dt. So this will give nothing but integral of t² is t power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus constant, let's say c1, one minus sign was also there. So this was all about I1. Now coming to I2, which was simply integral of cot²x. I told in the beginning of the video that you must have solved this integral of cot²x earlier. We simply write this as cosecant²x minus 1. And you all know integral of cosecant²x is negative of cot⁴x, and that of 1 is x, constant, let's say c2. So this is I2. Your I was I1 minus I2. So coming back to that, so your I will be I1, which came out to be t I forgot to substitute. T was, I think, cot⁴x, so negative of cot⁴x by 3 plus c1. So this is your I1 minus of I2. If I multiply the minus sign inside, I will get finally minus cot⁴x by 3 plus cot⁴x plus x and c1 from here and negative of c2 from there. So c1 minus c2. Now in the next step, because c1 minus c2 is also some constant, so I can write that as some other constant, let's say c. So I is negative of cot⁴x by 3 Again, the integral was not at all difficult. If you have earlier solved tan power 4x, similar approach, just you need to take care of the derivative and the formulas. So you can watch out more such problem as I told earlier in the playlist Integration 2023, and do share it to your friends as well. Thanks again.